Season 2 of Catfish Kyle, Episode 1. Man, the weather is absolutely awful. It's cold, it's raining, but I'm out here fishing. You know why? Because you need to watch a video, and your happiness is more important than my safety. I got some goals this year. This is a big goal. I don't know if I can do it, but my first goal this year is to catch 200 catfish on camera. 200 catfish on camera. I'd also like to catch a catfish that weighs 20 pounds or more on camera. Now, some of you who fish in the river, you're going to say, well, that's not a big deal, but I fish in the creek. I fish in shallow water. A 20-pound fish here is a big fish. So you hear those two goals? I want to catch 200 catfish on camera, and I want to land a 20-pound catfish as well. I'm also excited because Ronnie Smith gave me a hat I can wear on this show sometimes. Check out this little information about Ronnie Smith. Today's episode is brought to you by Ronnie Smith Ministries. He does a great work here in America, also a great work with orphans over in India. Check him out on his website. You can look it up, Ronnie Smith Ministries. Just Google that. You'll find it. He's a great guy. He's kind of a different type of guy, though. He's one of those, what you call impersonators. You know, an impersonator? But the difference between him and most other impersonators, he don't impersonate people. He impersonates animals. I mean, he can impersonate an elk. He can impersonate a duck. He can impersonate a deer. He can impersonate a turkey. He can impersonate a goose. He can impersonate a cow. He can impersonate a cat. He can impersonate an earthworm. He can impersonate a cricket. He can impersonate a rabbit. I mean, he can impersonate anything. He can just call those things right into him. But the most impressive thing he ever did, he actually called a woman to him and convinced her to marry him. That blew me away. The creek has been up. The river's been rising and falling. We got trees. We got junk coming to and fro, getting hung up on my lines and everything. Hadn't really been able to fish, but I have tried to do a little bit of bait catching, and my bait catching went awful as well. I mean, it was terrible. Flag, nabbit. I lost my beetle spin. So folks, here we go. We're gonna fish today. We're gonna hope we catch something. We got 200 catfish. We got a year to do it. Season 2, Episode 1, Catfish Kyle. Let's go fishing. Y'all, we got a fish, but he's wrapped around a tree underneath the water. We're gonna try to get him out. Man, he has wrapped himself up like you wouldn't believe. I don't know, y'all. You can see the tree here. He's not a very big one. But this shows you how difficult this can be at times. Okay, y'all. Let me see here. We got him, but we got a mess too. Hey folks, I want to let you know a little something new in the videos. In the bottom left-hand corner, every time we catch a catfish, there will be what we call the catfish counter. We call it the catfish counter because it counts the catfish that we catch. So the first catfish, it'll say catfish counter 1. The second, it'll say catfish counter 2. You get the point. You folks are smart. You have to be. You watch this channel. Y'all, it's raining. It's cold. But I think I got one on here. Yeah, I got one. Got a channel cat. Nice little eater channel cat. This is tough fishing, y'all. The bite is slow. Things just aren't happening. It's cold. It's raining. So far I got 2 channel cats. Man, y'all pray for me. Well, you got to be crazy to even be out in this mess. So I got another one. And he's wrapped up too. Look at here, y'all. You ain't gonna believe this. You ain't gonna believe this. I have hooked this fish in its side. Look at that. Hit him right in the side. Poor fella. Look at those guts hanging out. We don't ever want to do that. We apologize for that, but it just happens sometimes. I promise he'll be eaten. Now I got to take care of this mess. Y'all, I believe we got a good one. We got a limb shaker over here. I believe we got a good one. Oh, come on, mama. Be a good one. Be a good one. It's a good one, y'all. He's a good one. He's a good one. Oh, man. Whew. Oh, boy. Y'all. That is hard fishing, you hear me? That's a good channel cat right there. Or maybe a blue cat, I don't know. Oh man, y'all. This is tough fishing. Well, y'all, it's been a tough morning. Man, I am cold. I am wet. But we caught some fish this morning. We caught 4 of them. Woo. I was gonna show you my best one. He just about got me. This was our best one. I thought he was bigger than he was. He was jerking on that tree pretty good. We caught this one. We caught this one. And then we caught the old boy in the side here. Caught him. So we got 4 fish, and man, we worked for those fish. Good morning, if you ask me. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I almost got 50 subscribers. I got 49 right now, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I think it's gonna be a great season. Remember, 200 catfish on camera, in the boat, and a 20+ pounder. That's our goals for this year. Thanks for watching today. God bless.